Visa! Ihana, että sä oot joutunut yksin, koska mä kuohitsin sua. Ja mä kuohitsen sua. Ja sulla on kaverein. Ja sit sä et joutunut semmoselle. Mä pelkäsin, sä joudut semmoselle kukkulalle yksin, mut sä et joutunut. Yes! Niin hyvä sulle. But chicks, I gotta remind you, we gotta stick together. We are same family. We girls, you know, girl power. Guys come, go. There's a lot of fish in the sea, but I better start my rap song right now. I met this evil bitch. He had way too big dick. My mom said would never work. She said he's like a horse. Honest, I have to admit, I really dig this bitch. We were exact the same. Both wanted big fame, but in a different way. We never be the same. Other chicks start envy me, though we should be same family. I don't know why this goes so far, and I don't know why we war all the time. Your name is written on my skin. That's why, cause I'm too thin. I didn't want this go this far, but you didn't give me option at all. I really dig your persona. I sort of miss you, la la la, but now I clearly see I was too good for thee. My God's gonna pay you back, and I'm gonna laugh at bad. We hurted each other, but you hurt me more. My pussy is fucking sore, cause of your dick. You cannot even use it. I better fuck you in the ass. I think you would really like that much. I say this is my play, and you were only my game. You will never win, so you better lick my skin. I promise when this fight ends, I send your heart back, though you are my crazy stupid hoe. Oh, boom.